Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing better, and I have been receiving very overwhelming response on my videos, and somewhere it has really saddened me also that people are suffering from ears and they don't know what to do. I was lucky enough to probably understand that just one line of treatment is not enough for any autoimmune condition. So a lot of you are asking me that have you only taken allopathy or have you only worked on your lifestyle, and if that has helped you? So the answer is no. Just one thing will probably not help you in this condition. See, I am also not a specialist, not a certified practitioner. I am a survivor. So you all need to understand that I am here just sharing my journey, what helped me, what worked for me. Things may not work for you in the similar manner, but I can assure you one thing, that striking the right balance between allopathy, Ayurveda and a proper lifestyle, a healthy lifestyle, will definitely stop the flare-ups, will definitely help you fix the triggers. So we all need to understand that allopathy is the first line of treatment. Why? Because psoriatic arthritis specifically, it affects your small joints like your fingers, your wrists, your toes, probably your heels and your knees, right? So you start feeling handicapped, your mobility is compromised. So first line of action is always allopathy. Take steroids initially, that's completely okay. But what is not okay is only continuing allopathy, because what will happen? It will suppress your immune system, and if your immune system is compromised, if it is suppressed for a longer time, and if you're repeatedly taking biologics and infusions and steroids, then your condition can actually get really bad in a longer run. So what you have to do, be smart. Take allopathy as the first line of treatment. Second thing is identifying your trigger, because psoriatic arthritis and psoriasis, first of all, are correlated. If you have psoriasis on your body for a longer period of time, it can turn into psoriatic arthritis. If you just have an autoimmune arthritis, that is called rheumatoid arthritis. So start reading about it, start understanding the difference, start understanding why it happens to you, why is it happening just to you. That is one thing you really need to understand, and no influencer, no doctor and no specialist can tell you that. And once you start your allopathy, you get your confidence back, you get your mobility back. And that's when you really need to start looking up for your triggers. Most of the triggers are indigestion, gut problems, stress, not regulating your nervous system, not resting enough, not having, healthy diet, and having a lot of inflammatory diet, and probably a lot of unexpressed trauma. There are so many reasons. There are so many environmental triggers as well. Alcoholic perfumes, maybe a lot of fumes, you have chemical factories around your house. So there are so many triggers. I will try to probably make a carousel and post it later so that you can identify what are your triggers. So second line of treatment is your Ayurveda. So what Ayurveda actually does, it cleanses your system. So most of the autoimmune disorders, they develop in your body because there are a lot of toxins in your body. So now it's another level of topic that, how the toxins it accumulates in your body. So it can be because of indigestion, it can be because of a lot of medicines, their side effects, etc. Right? So so when you take Ayurveda, it actually fixes your triggers. But only taking Ayurveda may not help, because it's actually a slow process. I'll be very honest with you. So I took Ayurveda just to get my Panchakarma done. And by Panchakarma, in Panchakarma, I had my Basti, I had Shirodhara, I had Dry Baluka. So it really, fixed the toxins. It helped the swelling to go down in my joints, etc. Then third was fixing your lifestyle. If you're not fixing your lifestyle, if you're not actually working on the triggers, and if you keep on, continuing with the lifestyle that actually destroyed you, that actually gave you that kind of an autoimmune condition, then no immunosuppressant, no biologics and no steroids in the world can heal you. The disease will always come back.